too painful?
No, no.
Turn this side. Too painful? Then
No,
please
no.
stop me.
Okay.
Redness will be there for about a week. So
Okay.
apply a lot of moisturizer and sunscreen.
Sunscreen.
Tea bag do you have or soap from ice you have?
Yeah, I have.
Tea bag, no? Apply it for 3 days, morning and night.
Okay.
For redness, you can use ice pack only if it's painful. The scratches will take at least a week.
At least a week. Okay.
Like as usual. Possible to come again after 15 days?
No, ma'am.
Just to have a review?
After 2 months only.
Okay, when you're coming, please come.
Okay.
Because we'll have to do it again.
Okay.
For good glowing skin. Do not wash your face till tomorrow evening same time.
Okay.
Serum will take
After 24
24 hours for infusing inside your skin.
Okay.
Do not with plain water also. If there is any itching or if there is any irritation, then splash some cold water and clean, but please let us know.
Okay.
This is superficial treatment. Anyway, we are not injecting.
It's given lift also, no? Yes, lifting.
Yeah, this will be lift also. But you have to continue also.
Actually, MBLRF you need to continue because you have
Double check.
shape to get a proper shape, no?
3 section I have done, no? Here only.
But back to back you need to get at least 3 to 5 sessions. Then only you'll get proper lift.
Pores also reduce, no?
With this, yes.
Over sessions, yes. Turn this side. Few will have little acne after the session because of the vitamin C in it.
Okay.
That will go away. That's why I'm telling to use tea bag for 3 days. Okay. Any irritation or itching, please let us know.
Okay.
Because it is expected. This has vitamin C, no?
Moisturizer when I use?
Moisturizer, sunscreen, both you have to mix and use after applying tea bag.
Okay.
Now I'll apply and send you cream. Okay, tomorrow without washing face, first apply tea bag. Then on top of it, moisturizer, sunscreen, both you have to mix and apply.
Okay.
Keep your lips closed. You can also take ortho treatment. This will come out.
If she is in first PUC, at least ಈಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಆರ್ಥೋ ಒಳಗೆ. ಬೈ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಶಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಅ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಗಳಿಗೆ.
Go to college.
1.5 year ಒಳಗೆ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬೋದು.
Okay. After 2 months I'll get free. They can come.
You have to get. Because if you miss this stage of your daughter life, no, you will regret later.
Yes.
Because nobody wants to wear that when they're going to college.
Yes.
Now only she will be conscious
It's
actually.
invisible,
No,
no?
you can Invisalign you can try for her. Because we are gold membership we have. We give original Invisalign only. From US we are getting the product actually.
Okay, and come. Even chin chest section also have after album.
Now we cannot do anything for
Full
skin
sculpting.
base. No parlor.
Yesterday you
also.
didn't complain?
Okay. No, chin is pending.
Okay. Yesterday what treatment you have taken?
Yesterday MBL.
MBL. Once you come back from there, because you need drainage post chin cool sculpting, no? You
Yeah.
need MBL RF 2 to 3
RF
times at
too.
least.
Okay.
Once you come back, come immediately first for cool sculpting,
Okay, ma'am.
followed by MBL RF. That time you can take other treatment
Okay.
also.
After only I done it. Pending ही रहने दो उसको.
Wait for 5 minutes. Let it get dry. Then I will send you. Also, I am giving very mild, short, and slow depth. Just see if you can.
Give here. Blackheads are so
No,
much.
that is not going to help for blackheads. Blackheads you need regular hydrofacial.
Hydra.
Steam extraction, proper microdermabrasion, your blackheads will be reduced. It will not go, but it will reduce.
ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೇ ಬಂದರೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಹೈಡ್ರಾ
ಹೈಡ್ರಾ ತಗೋಬೇಕು.
ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಒಂದು ಹೈಡ್ರಾ ದೆನ್ ಒಂದು MBL RF ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Wait for 5 minutes. I'll just check, apply the ointment and I'll send you. Okay, wait for 5 minutes.
ಟೀ ಬರ್ಕಸಿ ಫಿಸಿಡಿಕ್ is there?
This is illy.
I'll tell her to get it.
Fusidic and sunscreen.
I think she got new sunscreen.